Hi ladies, welcome back, and I hope that you are sitting down and that you are ready for this tutorial on how to apply your mascara to make your natural lashes look fuller, longer and thicker, and that you're just ready to take them to the next level. So the mascara that I'll be using today is the Essence Maximum Definition. If you want to give it a try. I just fell in love with this budget product. Now there are two things to remember that will make the application much easier for you as well. Brush and breathe. Now I want you to focus not just on layering the product and doing this. I really want you to rather focus on brushing it and combing it so that you coat each individual lash with enough product that will give you that fuller and thicker appearance. And then of course breathing while you're doing the application, but what I mean by that is that I want you to take deep breaths and do a slow and gentle blowout, almost like you're drying your nail polish you've just done. It really just relaxes your face. There is also no need to buy a brand new and expensive mascara unless it's past its expiry date and it gives you the slightest idea that it might be dry. But if that's the case, then please buy a new one. Life is too short for a dry mascara. Now, if you're in the game for lash curlers and primers and everything extra, that's perfectly fine. We are just going to keep it simple today. And even if your natural lashes are short, you have given up on them, I am here today to send you a message on their behalf saying please don't give up on them and give them another chance. I'm going to go through it once and then we can do it together afterwards. I will be using one of these clean applicators just for the demonstration purposes. Alright, so you want to place the wand underneath your top lashes. Then you want to do kind of a rolling back action. You roll it back until you can feel the roots. Close your eye, wiggle it a little bit, push back towards your eyelid to give it a lift and comb out. Okay? Let's do it together. Place the wand underneath your lashes. Do a roll back, close your eye, wiggle it a bit, push back towards your eye for the lift and comb out. Okay, so repeat that process, and it really depends on how light or how dramatic you want your lashes to look. I recommend about 3 layers at least. And yes, so I've completed my additional layers now, and what's left now is to do the final touches. So the final touches I call baby eye, big eye and sexy eye. Guys, we don't give enough attention to the inner corner baby lashes. Now by giving them some love, it makes a massive difference as it just lengthens your eye and it gives you that beautiful contour that we all want. You can do this by holding the wand diagonally and just touching them gently, pushing them towards the inner corner and making sure that they also get a bit of product on there. And big eye means that I just take the wand and I accentuate the center lashes. And sexy eye, my favorite, is taking the wand, holding it horizontally and just pulling a few of the outer corner lashes towards the side to give it that foxy look. A question that comes up quite regularly is how to apply your mascara on your bottom lashes without making a mess. So it's actually very easy. You can take a piece of paper or a cotton pad or a tissue and place it underneath your bottom lashes and move it around as you comb it or touch it, just to make sure that they also get some product on there without getting mascara over your entire face. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope it helped you. Chat to me in the comments. I would love to hear your feedback. So until next time, cheers for now.